Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super helpful topic: how to get a refund from the Google Play Store in 2025. Whether you accidentally purchased the wrong app, it's not working as expected, or you just changed your mind, Google has a straightforward refund process. This guide is based on the latest policies, so let's jump right in and make sure you get your money back hassle-free. First things first, act quickly. Google typically allows refunds within 48 hours of purchase for most apps and in-app items, though some exceptions apply based on the developer or content type. Start by opening the Google Play Store app on your Android device or heading to the website on your computer. Step 1. Find the order you want to refund. Go to the Account section in the Play Store menu, then select Order History. This will show all your recent purchases. Tap on the specific app or item you bought. Step 2. Look for the refund option. On the apps page in your order history, you should see a Request a Refund button or something similar. If it's not immediately visible, tap on the three-dot menu and select Help and Feedback or Report a Problem. Step 3. Fill out the refund request form. You'll need to explain why you're requesting a refund. Be honest and clear, like saying it was an accidental purchase or the app crashed repeatedly. Google might ask for more details, so provide any screenshots if you have them. Step 4. Submit and wait. Once you submit, Google will review your request, which usually takes a few hours to a couple of days. If approved, the refund will be processed back to your original payment method. A quick tip: not all purchases qualify, especially for digital content like books or movies, so check the app's refund policy beforehand. Also, if you're a frequent buyer, keep an eye on your account for any unauthorized charges. And there you have it. That's how you snag a refund from the Google Play Store in 2025. It's a simple process that can save you money and frustration. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.